Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Dima and today we're at a park. Normally we would be at the Moychay club, but today we chose another setting because I will be reviewing a nice little utensil actually, which you can use outside or anywhere where portability is key. But first, before we get into this thing, I wanted to tell you about our club, which is actually 180 square meters of pure tea experience. We have a tea bar at the front, and then when you walk further you see a very huge collection of teas, 130, which are directly sourced from Taiwan, China, Japan, you name it, 13 countries and increasing. And we also have one of the biggest collections of teaware in Europe. So definitely come by, and if you can't, you can also check our website at moychay.nl. So we ship everything we have at our club, and you can ask questions and ask us for any videos of the stuff we have. But now, without any further ado, let's get right into the review of our self-made tea flask. So this is actually a very portable utensil. It consists of basically three parts, right? You see here is a compartment for tea. This is a little sieve, so this is also made from metal and has seals on two sides, as well as a little compartment for your water. And you may notice that this is basically borosilicate glass, and it's also double-sided. So that means there's an extra layer of air actually protecting this from the outside. So basically it retains heat for much longer. So how this works, you put your tea in here, and I would of course recommend using some good tea. And why this is so nice is that you can just put your tea in there and basically go to work, and then at work you can fill this with your water. And after that, the only thing you have to do is just basically to flip the bottle itself, and then you can start infusing. But as you may know, if you're familiar with our teas already, this is actually its first use, so first I'll rinse it. If you're familiar with our teas already, that you can basically infuse them multiple times. So if you fill this with just a bit of water, as you'll be using not the whole amount to make Gong Fu chai infusions, which basically means that you infuse up to 10 times with certain teas, and you get a very rich and nice tasting infusion. You can just fill that up like this, and then actually I would advise you to have it the other way around, because now I need to be very fast so that it doesn't fall out. Well, you twist it tight, and then you check everything's okay, and then you hold it like this and you fill this chamber. So you even also get a nice show while this is infusing. And after around 20 seconds for this amount of tea, I'll be able to turn it around, and you'll have a full portion, and you can be able to drink from here. Now I don't have to because I have a beautiful setup here, but as we twist it like this, you see that the tea has gotten a great color, and it's basically ready to drink. As this is, if I'm not mistaken, our Krasnodar Sheng. Yes, it's a Krasnodar Gaba Sheng, an amazing tea which also comes from our plantations. So we're extra proud of that, of course. And now you see this just is pretty safe. You can drink straight from here. Oh, and it lets you enjoy the incredible aroma as well. Or you can just pour it out into a little cup and enjoy it also from there to share. So this thing is actually very multifunctional, because you can use it for many different teas. I wouldn't advise it for sencha though, because it's very fine and it can get into little crevices, making this thing not watertight anymore, right? So rooibos or sencha, I wouldn't advise it, but for every other tea, it's perfect and usable. Dishwasher safe, by the way. So this part is only rubber and the rest is glass and iron. So basically stainless steel. So thank you for watching, and you can of course get this on our site or in our club. You can basically check it out in the description down below. There we have all the links you need. And if you have any questions, don't worry, you can post them in the comments, or for example on our Instagram in the DMs, as well as on our online chat. So thank you again for watching. My name is Dima, and I hope you found this nice and learned enough or a lot about our little tea flask. So I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe or even check out our Instagram, because we post a lot of educative content on there also. Cheers.